Welcome to sunny Lincoln. My second time in Lincoln. And this time I'm staying at the Holiday Inn in the centre. It's actually Holiday Inn Express. Holiday Inn Express. I don't know if there's a difference between the regular Holiday Inn and the Express. Doesn't seem any quicker to me. Seems about the same speed. Yeah, let's have a look around the room. And I'll tell you how much I paid for this room tonight and tell me if you think it's worth it. Right, so general bit of a seating area over here. We've actually got a sofa bed under here. We've got a sofa bed stashed away in there. We've got a main double bed here. Already slept in this, so I can tell you that it is very, very comfortable. I don't know if it's my preference or what, but stayed in 2 Holiday Inns now, and both of the beds I've had a good night's sleep. I think I prefer a bit of a softer mattress, to be honest, and I think these just fit me quite well. Just lucky. Usually in hotels find them like bed's a bit too hard, or wake up for some reason, but yeah, I slept well in here, so that's good. Bed's very clean, unlike the rest of the room. So right, okay, I'll show you general state of the room. Extremely worn, quite worn out. If you check out the carpet here, you can see there's a lot of marks, wear and tear on the carpet, on here, on this sofa bed. There's like really dirty marks on here and on, the side. If you look at that, just in general, that's old. It needs cleaning, proper deep clean, or just replacing. Really needs it. The bed itself is very, very good, very clean. I like this kind of headboard effect along the back. It's not. Is it dusty? It's not too bad. It's quite clean actually. In general, it's dusted. It's just the room is worn. It's worn out. If you look, excuse me. If you look here, you can see. We've got wear and tear on this unit. This unit looks like it's been purpose built, doesn't it, for the hotel? This chair, we've got some marks and scuffs and things on this chair. It's actually quite dirty if you look. Don't know if you can see that. It's actually quite dirty, that chair. But they've put in this kind of cabinet, but there's no drawer here. It's like this cabinet opens. We've got a sticker on here. It says iron inside, and it opens this way. There is indeed an iron inside, but why? It looks like from an old cabinet, doesn't it? Look at that. What is the point of that, of having that so custom made like that? I don't know. Don't get it. Don't understand. We've got right. Let's go straight in. We've got teas and coffee station here. We've got a kettle that's really dirty, filthy on the outside, and also lime scaly on the inside. It's part of this whole unit, so I can see why they've kept it. They don't want to throw it away because it fits on this unit and the whole thing goes together. We've got a couple of teas and coffees in there, just your regulars, very, 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 very basic. That's it. We've got that little plastic unit there. TV. Let's check the TV. It comes on okay. I'm pretty sure it will. It's a Samsung TV. It's quite small, but it fits on that unit, doesn't it? It fits perfectly on that platform. So yeah, that works fine. No problems there. Oh, will it switch off? More trouble putting it off than I had putting it on. Excuse me. Right, so yeah, let's look at this side. We've got some funky artwork on there. Right, on this side, if you can see, beneath the bin, we've kind of got a lot of worn out, a lot of marks and dirty, and there's deep sort of dust and dirt issues. It needs a deep clean, this room. I think this carpet, just look at that carpet there. I don't know if that shows up so well. You can see it's completely worn out. It just needs replacing. Just completely worn out. So yeah, Holiday Inn Express, Lincoln. What did I pay for this room? Well, I'll tell you in a minute. I'm just going to tell you about breakfast. So, just been down for breakfast, and it was hard to get in. I had to queue up to get in, and then yeah, they've got all the things, you know, in the little room. All the food sort of it's you know, you have to. It's like a buffet style breakfast. You have to get everything yourself. So I've got some orange juice and a coffee. Now the orange juice, and I kind of knew this from Blackpool, the orange juice is not orange juice, it's just orange cordial, but I was desperate for a drink of something cold. So I had that. It was not very nice, like a kid's drink. Sorry kids, no offence. Coffee, I got a latte from the machine, and the latte was absolutely disgusting. I couldn't drink it. It was like so sweet. I'm like, it was so sweetened out. It was just must be like pumped full of sugar. It's absolutely shocking. It was just like horrible. You can't drink stuff. You can't drink that, can you? You can't drink that. Who'd want that? And yeah, the plates are really tiny, so you can get like one thing on your plate. You get like one sausage, one piece of bacon, like a scoop of beans. And the only eggs they had was scrambled eggs. If you don't like scrambled eggs, tough luck. That's you know, that's all you're getting. No choice. No fried eggs. No poached eggs. So I got a little bit of everything. Like one sausage, one bacon, one scoop of scrambled eggs, a scoop of beans, one hash brown. I did eat it. It wasn't that tasty, but I was starving, so I did eat it. I just want, like, you come to a hotel, you just want the basics. I wanted some bottled water, some fresh orange juice, and a proper coffee. Is that too much to ask? Is that too... Well, not really. If you're paying for it, you're paying for the hotel, you're paying for your breakfast. You should be... I mean, I'm not asking for the earth, am I? I'm not asking for something ridiculous. It's just normal. Is that too much to ask? Well, I'll tell you the cost of the room. This room costs... It's Saturday night in October. It costs £166 for the room and that breakfast for one person, and car parking is extra. So car parking with a reduction, I think I paid like a tenner, about £10, and that was reduced. But you can park at a hotel, which is good. That's a good point. Very good point. We need to check the bathroom, don't we? Not check that. Have we checked the bathroom? Have you stayed here? Would you stay here at that price? Is that normal? Am I out of touch? I just want to pay like 70 quid for this room, 80 quid at the most. It's just, I don't know, maybe at the weekend a little bit more, but 166. Have you stayed here? Did it cost you less? I know prices are, they've got dynamic price, haven't they? So I might have just paid over the odds, don't know. Yeah, anyway. If there's any, where should I stay in Lincoln next time? Let me know in the comments, because I don't know places in Lincoln, and you might know somewhere a bit better. Right, let's check out the bathroom. Very basic bathroom, like plastic on here. Nice little round sink. Shower has plenty of hot water, but not very much pressure. I've got the soaps in here, shampoo, body wash. We've got hand wash on here, Dove, and then toilet behind here. We've got this, for some reason it fits behind this door. Why does it do that? Look. You come in and you're like, where's the toilet? Don't know, don't see one. Oh, it's behind the door that I've just opened. That's weird, isn't it? So these are like this was built as a hotel. It's not an old converted building, so why have they done it like that? I don't know, don't get it. Mental. Right, we're gonna have a walk around outside, show you the outside of the hotel, and we'll have a look at the common areas. Yeah, just have a little walk around and have a look. Ooh, bit of road rage going on out there. Ferrari. All right, mate. All right. No need to have road rage just because you've got a Ferrari, isn't it? God, right. Okay, let's go and have a look. Looks like they're rebuilding that part, or they're building that part. Let's check out the front.